Today we're going to share our experience with the 3M Heavy Duty Headlight Restoration Kit. The best part, you won't have to wait till the end of the review to find out our thoughts, tips, and who this product makes sense for and who it doesn't make sense for. That is the first part of this video. We're going to share that here in just a sec. For those that want to see the process, how it's done, and see all the steps that we'll go through to make this happen, check out section 2 of the video. The last part will show some more detailed before and after pics for those that are curious. Okay, part 1. Do we recommend the 3M Heavy Duty Headlight Restoration Kit? Kind of. If you're selling your car soon, absolutely. Are your headlights unsafe because they are incredibly fogged up from the effects of the sun for many years? Absolutely. But we don't recommend this product if you're expecting a one-time refresh that is going to last years and years and look great. The reason I can tell you this isn't going to last for years is because I've used this product a few times. And typically within 18 to 24 months, the fogginess in the headlight starts to return. In some cases, it might make sense to buy brand new OEM or aftermarket headlights if you really want the best performance that comes from clear headlights. Check out Amazon and the link below for the best price for the 3M restoration kit. We went to AutoZone and O'Reilly's earlier today, and the same product costs $3 to $5 more. Okay, here's the process to use a headlight restoration kit. First, you need to tape off your headlights so you don't scratch your paint. Looking back at it, in this particular car, I should have made a second pass with the painter's tape so I had more coverage. I hit the paint of the car a couple times with the abrasive sanding pads. No reason to have that happen if you prep the job right. Next, let's open up the package to see what's all there. The kit comes with 3 sets of sandpaper with varying levels of grit: 500, 800, and 3200. There's a Velcro adapter that it connects to a household drill so you don't wear your hands raw sanding the headlights. And finally, there's a soft compound polishing pad with compound polish to brighten up the plastic. You can expect to take 1 to 2 hours for both set of headlights from start to finish. Okay, the first instruction is to mask and tape, clean the vehicle. Already done those. I went ahead and inserted the bit into the drill. Then it says the first pad as you want to get is a P500. It's kind of hard to see there. Actually shows up maybe a little bit better on the camera than it does with my eyes, but it's got a soft side and then a coarse side. The soft side is going to attach to the Velcro and stay on, and that's how it connects to the pad. Okay, got the gold disc on. There's 6 total gold discs, so 3 for each headlight. Let's go. Gotta be careful. Third. Okay, next you get the ones with purple writing. It's called the P800 disc. So again, it's a much finer course. Get the soft side, it sticks on. Also get a feel for the scratches, because we're going to be making these scratches a lot softer and smoother. So before you start going with this, get a feel for what the headlights feel like. Getting into these awkward spaces isn't so easy with the drill. Okay, this is the second P800, the middle grade. Okay, the next step is to get this disc. There's only one of them. It's your wet sanding disc. It's one titled 3000. So again, soft side. Loop it on. Get your water bottle thing. Got one here. Spray it a couple times. Can't hurt to spray the lens, and then kind of the same thing. Okay, next is the compounding step. This is to get a dime-sized amount. You want to kind of splatter it around like this so when you turn on the drill it doesn't shoot everywhere and make a mess. But they definitely made some improvement. Don't know if the camera's picking it up, but definitely you can see some fogginess. Again, I've done these lights maybe 4 years ago with another kit, so these aren't the worst headlights in the world. So that wraps up our video on the 3M Headlight Restoration Kit. As you can see, it does a pretty solid job for cheap. Just don't expect it to last forever and you'll be happy with your purchase. As mentioned earlier, we've linked all the items in the video description below. Which, by the way, if you click on one of those links and buy something, shortly after I might get a small kickback at no cost to you. Also, there's a way to help small creators like myself via the super thanks button below the video. And lastly, it wouldn't be a video from the internet if I didn't ask you to hit the subscribe button. At least my pleading was at the end of the video, so you didn't have to sit through that before getting the information you came for. Regardless of what you may or may not do, I appreciate your time.